I'm so excited about this haul. Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It at a Dime. Dollar Tree is stepping it up. You are not gonna believe some of these finds. Starting off with organization and decor. They got these gorgeous sequin bins in a rose gold color. It's the kind where you touch the front and then the sequins move. I think this would look so cute in a makeup room, in a teen girls room. They come in a bunch of different colors. I also picked up a pink bin with kind of the mermaid green on it. These fly, like fly off the shelves. So when you see them, definitely grab them. Another new product I couldn't leave without were these macaroon jewelry holders. And I think this would be really awesome to keep your everyday jewelry in your drawer. It would look so cute on a bathroom countertop, and they come in 3 colors. I also picked up this really adorable jewelry holder. They had ones that looked like angel wings, and I really liked the feather one. This would be like $6 at Target. These large glass jars, when you see glass product, I always have good luck with it. This is a great organization tool. And these clasping lids. These are great for lipsticks, bath salts in your bathroom. They're super elegant and they do stand the test of time. Imagine something like this in a teen girls room or even in your bathroom. The colors are really beautiful and it's just $2. You guys, I could not leave without this. I can't wait to put this by our Keurig downstairs. These little orbs that are also candle holders are gorgeous, and they just started carrying these rose flameless candles. My thought was you could take the rose and put it inside like this, and it would make a really beautiful centerpiece. This is kind of disco. I wish that it was just like a solid white light rather than like changing colors, but I thought this could be really fun for like a wedding or prom. They also do have those same candle holders in a square shape, which I think is really geometric and cool. Moving on to makeup and bath products, which have been amazing. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for hearing that we want more e.l.f. products. I found the eyebrow lifter and filler and the concealer and highlighter stick that I literally swear by, which I was so excited about. I'm also excited about the charcoal spa treatment mask. This looks really cool. They started to have Bolero displays. These makeup wipes are great. I really like the coconut oil and sea salt scent. They also had bath bombs, oatmeal milk and honey, fresh cucumber and bamboo, and peppermint sea salt. For $1, that's a great find. You don't even have to DIY it. It's just a Bolero brand already. I always get my loofahs at the Dollar Tree, but I love that they start putting little things in it to make them look like cupcakes and sprinkles. Like, doesn't that just make you happy? Finally, we have some miscellaneous home products you don't want to miss. I needed some new gift bags and I couldn't leave without these. It actually comes with 2 to a pack. These are adorable, definitely giving me all the Target vibes at a fraction of the price. This is, if you guys can see the outtakes of these, like I feel like you would not trust my judgment on anything. They started carrying yarn, which I've never seen there before, and I really liked the color of this one, if you're a knitter or a sewer. They're selling a 103-piece jewelry repair kit. These are so expensive everywhere else. This is like every girl's necessity for her armoire or jewelry storage. And then I got a keychain puff ball because that seemed important. Any other chocoholics out there? All right. Miniature Reese's peanut butter cups, but they're stuffed with Reese's pieces. You guys, this is everything. These are so good. And I also love these coconut treats by Russell Stover. They're covered in dark chocolate. It's just like the perfect amount so you have a few, but then you're not like 11 p.m. binge eating all of the chocolate in your cabinet. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below of the stuff you've been finding at Dollar Tree, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.